Your phone can do this automatically. Imagine your phone silencing itself at work, launching navigation when you get in your car, and switching to dark mode at sunset, all without you lifting a finger. Today we'll build exactly that using Tasker, zero root required. Why most people quit Tasker? Tasker has a reputation for being complicated. The truth? It's just unfamiliar. Most tutorials dump every feature at once. We'll skip the noise and focus on the three building blocks that power 90% of useful automations: contexts, tasks, and variables. What you need before starting. Grab Tasker from the Play Store. It's a paid app but worth every penny. You'll also need Android 5.0 or newer. That's it. No root, no ADB, no computer. We'll also enable one critical permission now so nothing breaks later. Build your first profile, work mode. Let's create a profile that silences your phone when you arrive at work. Open Tasker, tap the plus button, choose State, Net, Wi-Fi connected, and select your office Wi-Fi. Name it Work Wi-Fi. Now tap New Task, call it Silent Mode, add audio, ringer volume, set to 0. Done. Add an exit task to restore sound. Right now your phone stays silent forever. Long press the profile, choose Add Exit Task, create Restore Sound, set ringer volume back to 7. Now when you leave the Wi-Fi, sound returns automatically. This pattern, Enter Task, Exit Task, is the backbone of state-based automation. Location without GPS, cell tower triggers. GPS kills battery. Instead, use Cell Near, it detects which tower you're connected to. Create a new profile, state phone Cell Near, scan near your home, name it Home Area. Task, Home Mode, set Wi-Fi on, media volume 5, launch your music app. No GPS, instant trigger. Variables make it dynamic. Hard-coded values limit you. Variables let tasks adapt. Create a variable %work hours with 9 to 17. In your work profile, add an if condition, %time matches %work hours. Now the profile only silences during work hours, weekends stay loud. That's the power of variables. Car mode, Bluetooth connected trigger. When your phone connects to your car's Bluetooth, launch Google Maps, enable Do Not Disturb, and set media volume to 8. Profile, State Net BT connected, select car. Task, Car mode, App load app, Maps, audio media volume 8, settings Do Not Disturb on. Exit task reverses it all. Battery saver at 20%, event profile. Events fire once when something happens, perfect for battery alerts. Profile, event power battery level, set from 0 to 20. Task, low battery, turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, location, lower screen brightness to 20%, enable battery saver mode. No exit task needed, you'll charge it. Common mistake, overlapping profiles fight. Two profiles triggering at once, like work Wi-Fi and home Cell Near, can fight over volume. Fix it, add profile status conditions. In work profile, add if %profile_home (off). In home profile, if %profile_work (off). Or use collision handling in profile settings, abort existing task. Pro tip, scenes for custom UI. Tasks can show custom overlays called scenes. Build a quick toggle, scene, 3 buttons for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, flashlight. Task, show scene, quick toggle, display as, overlay, blocking, off. Now assign this task to a widget or gesture. Instant control panel without unlocking. Backup, export, and share. Long press any profile, task, or scene, export saves as XML. Backup to Google Drive. Share with friends or import from the Tasker community, taskernet.com. You can also export entire projects, a collection of profiles, tasks, scenes, and variables, as a single .prj.xml file. Your automation checklist. You now have 5 working routines: work silent, home mode, car mode, low battery rescue, and a quick toggle scene. Test each one. Enable Run Log in Tasker Prefs to debug. Start small, add 1 profile per week. Your phone just became truly yours.